Hi folks, good morning. My name's Steve Margison, author of the book on Forex trading. It's Friday morning, 23rd of March, 10:30. I've made my money, I've made my pips for today. In fact, I made it an hour ago. And let's show you why. This is the TIS trade at the European Open. Sometimes it's European Open, sometimes it's London Open. And we're often, not always, nothing works in Forex always, but often we get a good move. So let's have a look here. I'm going to put a red line, and you can see as we get to 6:30 it's all red, then it starts going blue. European Open, 7 o'clock. Here it comes now. We've all gone blue. Now look what we've got here. I'll leave the line there. Price is above the coral. Price is blue. All four Ichimoku clouds are blue. In fact, the 5 minute, which is the heads up, went blue half an hour ago. 1 minute tricks, 5 minute tricks, 15 minute tricks are all blue. So you could take a long there, but you're very close to the sweet spot, 158.20. So you might wait till the sweet spot is broken, which happens here. Now at 7, all you've done is wait for another cycle of the 1 minute tricks. See, it's gone red and gone blue again, and then everything's blue again. For a moment everything wasn't blue because that was red, see, and that was red. Everything goes blue again here. 158.20, 223, you could go long. Everything, coral's blue, everything's blue. Fantastic. European Open, go long. And I mean, sometimes you just go for 10 pips with TIS, sometimes you go for 10, take half off, leave the rest running. But it runs in the first instance up 60 pips. It even goes higher later, but that's a very, very quick, fantastic trade. Let's just show you the same trade on the euro dollar. So euro dollar, let's get my line. Everything starts to go fully blue here again, 7 o'clock. Price above the coral blue. Candles are all blue. Cross of the tricks to the upside. Fresh cross of the 5 minute to the upside. 15 minute going to go to the upside. All blue, you can take it. If you want to wait for the 15 minute tricks to cross, which is more conservative, you can go in here, which again, like the pound, is the next cycle. Can you see those go red for a period as it cycles down, and it cycles back up to blue? Bang, all blue, take it. Again, 50-60 pip move on the euro. Let's see if I can find the dollar CAD. I'll show you one more quickly. I put my charts white background because it's easier to see on YouTube, but I've left this one black, so please persevere. Again, we're coming up to 7 o'clock, European Open. Excuse me, all red there. Okay, this is at the sweet spot, 100. Coral's gone red. All red. 4 red Ichimokos, with particularly the 5 minute just gone red. And these are all red, and the 5 minute and the 15 minute are crossing to the downside. Now you would wait for a break of the sweet spot, the 100. So again, let's take that cycle and get in here at about 99.98, and you can see you've had the cycle to the upside this time on the 1 minute, and then it recycles down. You've got a good space, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute crossing, all red, red collar, all red, ready for a short, and it's a very good short. If you want to find out about this strategy, TIS strategy, please read my book, the book on Forex trading.